Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up relax mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our relax mode, we have to go to settings, then in modes and routines, we are looking for relax option right here. This is default option, so we can customize it by a fair bit. For example, we can add a place. We can also time periods. We can set up time period. We can choose applications that will be opened during our relax mode. When our relax mode is active, for example, right now, app opened, messages, Galaxy Wearable, or one other app that we choose there. We can also set up alternative conditions if we want, and done, and our mode is set up. We can also change wallpaper so that we can at a single glance tell that our phone is in our relax mode. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.